Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can write your HTML hypertext markup language. So, in our former tutorial, you can check on the part 2 of this page. You will find a video on how to install your Visual Studio Code so you can be able to follow along. After that, you can come back to watch this video. So, this is how we get started. Right click on your desktop page, go to new file and create a new folder. Press this new folder. In here, write HTML and press enter. Open it by right clicking it, by left clicking it twice. Right click inside the folder because this folder is empty right now. Right click on it and go to new and create a new text document file. You see, this text document, we have to change it by Ctrl A and change it to index.html. Press enter. It asks a question: if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, we want to change it because we need HTML here, not text, not just ordinary text document. We need HTML type of the document. Press yes. Now it has turned to HTML. So let's right click on it and open it with our Google Chrome browser or anyone you are having. You can have Mozilla browser or you can open it with Microsoft EDG. I'm using Google Chrome on this tutorial. Yeah. Now can you see this is empty page? So to write something on this magic file, we have to go to our editor to edit it. That is the reason why we download the Visual Studio Code. So now to open it, we are not going to click the Visual Studio Code directly. We are going to open it from here by right clicking on it. When you right click on it, go to open with. After open with, go to Visual Studio Code. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can write anything here. You can write anything here. So this is how we are going to start. Write this, open and close, and come here. After coming here, can you see this clearly? Write HTML sample. As you wrote this, you can see this thing. When it shows this, you can click it and it will generate this. Let me press Ctrl Z to see what I'm talking about. If you write HTML, it may bring this, and when you click this, it may not show anything like that. But so let us click it like this, delete this, and write, and just click H, and it will show this HTML sample. Click on it. It will show this. Let's save this code. Wow, this is the benefit of using Visual Studio Code. Wow. So let's go to the Google Chrome and see what we have done to our file. Let's reload it. Wow, we found something here. This is what we found. Do we need it? We don't need it. This is not what we need. Let's go back to our document. This is where it is. Wow, this is the thing that came up. Let's delete it and save it. Let's go and reload it. See? Wow, it has disappeared. Let's go back again. I want you to note one thing. This is open tag. This is closing tag. How do we recognize the port? This is it. This is the main thing that you can use to recognize it. Anywhere you see slash, that is the closing tag. Anywhere you don't see anything there, that is the beginning. That is the opening tag. You see body here again, but here is having slash. Here doesn't have. You see the same thing on the head. See the same thing. See, but there are some tags also that don't have it. But most of the tags on the HTML template, on the HTML syntax have it. So let's just be watchful when we are writing our codes, so we can know the thing that we have to put there. So let's save this. So this is what we are going to teach each other today. h1 h2 till h6, h1 h2 h3 h4 h5 h6. Those heading tags we have to teach each other today quickly. So write h. This is the benefit of using Visual Studio Code. You see, it automatically generated the HTML syntax for me instead of me writing it from scratch. This is the benefit of using it. So let's just click on it. Bam. Wow, it's generated open and closing tag for me automatically. Wow, this is the reason why we said we should register, we should download, because it doesn't take registration. We should download Visual Studio Code. Wow, this is free. Wow. So let's go, let's get started. Let's write hello world. But before we write anything here, let's save it and look at our page. If something has done to it. Wow, nothing is here. Wow. So I want to write something here. Let us write something in that. Inside here we have to write things we want to write. Let us write it inside here. So let's just write hello world. Let me go back to it, and after I save it, let me reload it. Wow, hello world, it shows and it's bold. Wow, this is fine. Let me see, maybe I can write another thing. H2. Wow, it's generated. Wow, oh my god, hello, this is so simple. Wow, let me save it and go back and reload. Wow, as you can see, this big and this follows. After this font is bigger than this one. That's how it goes till h6. h1 is bigger than h2, h2 is bigger than h3, h3 is bigger than h4, h4 is bigger than h5, h5 is bigger than h6. That's how it goes. So let us write all the codes to see how they all looks. h3, h4, h5, h6, so let's just save it and reload it. Wow, this is what we are talking about. Can you see? This is bigger. h1 is bigger than h2, h2 is bigger than h3, h3 is bigger than h4, h4 is bigger than h5, h5 is bigger than h6. Wow, this is what we are talking about. Okay, I think we are getting it now, right? We are getting it clearly. Wow, so this is the beginning of everything. So let's go here and check something again. You see this page title. Wow, why is it here? Come here, you will find it here. This is it. This is where you can change it. Wow, here is it. So if you want to check anything here, you have to come to your page title. So let me write top 10 strength here quickly. When I wrote it, I will save it and reload my file. When I reload my see top 10 strength inside our index.html, inside our HTML document, inside our desktop. So this, I think we should stop here today. This is the end of today's section. So I think this is an introduction. It's a very great introduction to HTML element. So in the next tutorial we are going to start a very strong tutorial about this, so you can know a very powerful things you can do with HTML elements. So I think we grab this. I'm going to stop here today. So my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe once again.